Alright, so Rocket Dude here again, and testing out my new GoPro Hero 8 camera, and just doing some quick video here of my little WLToys A959 Buggy, and I'm going to go take it for a spin outside to see how good this little bad boy goes. Of course, you can see here I got it all hooked up with all metal. Of course, the alignment's all jacked up, but I try to fix it as much as I could. So we're going to see right now how it does outside. Alright, so here we are now. We're outside here testing my new GoPro Hero 8, and got my little buggy going here. Hopefully it's recording it pretty good here. You can see there, walking around, stabilization on, and let's see what it does here. Oh yeah, I just fixed the alignment on this thing here, so oh, that looks really good. Yeah. So this little buggy here that I have, basically it's all metal upgrades. And the only thing is when you upgrade with the metal parts, it doesn't run like quite the same as it used to, because it's, oh, what was that about? But basically the alignment's the most thing you have to worry about. It doesn't drive straight. See? It's acting weird, dude. So this buggy's been around for a while. I had it for about maybe, I would say, 4 years. And it is running off a stock battery. What is that? Oh, something's stuck in the back of it. Let's go see what it is. Okay, so something's stuck back here. Oh, just a... All right, so let's check it out there. Turn around. Whoa. Whoa. Sometimes this is control, I don't know why. I have a feeling some of the alignment's a little bit off. Or not the alignment, but one of the pinions or something that's going on in there. Because my other stock buggy doesn't have this kind of problem. It goes really smooth. See, these metal parts just kind of goes its own way. Doesn't quite go like it wants to. Let's see here. Whoa. To the right goes really good, and to the left kind of doesn't want to turn that much. And I gotta tweak it some. Let's get some dirt action going here. I won't be able to get out of here. Uh-oh. Oh, my front wheel drive is off. See that? Oh. So my four-wheel drive action is busted again. Yep. Damn, I thought I just fixed that too. See that? And there's no action. These should be spinning, but it's not. So I need to probably order a whole differentiator for that. So it's basically only running off 2 drive action here, not 4-wheel drive. These are pretty fun, you know, just to mess around. Whoa. Alright, that's good enough. So there it is. My new little Hero 8 recording here with my new GoPro Hero 8 camera with my little WLToys A959.